Hello and welcome to Slydyr. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can register for an account on Slydyr. So the first thing you need to do to register for a Slydyr account is to visit our website, slydyr.com. Once there, click on the sign up button located on the top right corner of your screen. The window that pops up should look like this if you are using a mobile phone, or like this if you are using a desktop computer. Now that you are on the registration page, all you need to do is fill out the short sign-up form. We'll need a valid email address, a unique, strong password to keep your account safe, your name, and a username. If you want, you can also choose to include a short bio, but it's not required and you can always add it later. So I'm just going to fill this out. As you can see, our system will let you know if you've created a weak or strong password. Once you are finished, simply click the Create Account button. And just like that, you are almost done creating your account. The only thing you need to do is check your inbox for the email that we sent you so that you can activate your account. Be sure to check your junk or spam folders as well, just in case you can't find our email in your main inbox. So once you find the email, you just need to click on the link. Then you'll be taken back to our website where you'll see the activation key already on your screen. At this point, you should see a green button that says Activate. Once you click on that, you're all done. Congratulations, you are now a member of our medical laboratory community. To log into your account, just type in the email address and password you provided during the sign-up process. In our next video, we're going to show you what happens after you log into your account and how you can customize your profile. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you want to know more about Slydyr, you can always visit us at slydyr.com and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.